Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tracy. Glad you are here. So today I'm going to walk you through how I create a Zoom virtual background in layers. So I'm just going to start from scratch and create something nice for you to put on your backgrounds, usually for coaches if they're doing virtual or events on like Zoom or something. So, like I said, I'm going to start from scratch. So, what I do is I go to photos and I put in the first thing I want to put in is the wall. So, since I've done like two white backgrounds, I want to look into doing a dark background. Um, so I just found, I think this one is nice. What you think? I like it. So let me see if I can drag it in. Sometimes it allows me to. All right, and didn't fully drag. That's what I want. That's why I chose it because I like those lights. So now I'm gonna stick to the photos and put in colorful picture because I want to put a picture on the wall. Or colorful background. I don't know if I want to do that. Now I want colorful picture. Okay. So I want to find a nice color. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Right? And I want to make it as a nice photo. It's kind of big for people size if they were standing next to it. So what I want to do is go into the edit image and get the shadow and then hit the drop effect so it could come out as if it's actually hanging on the wall like that. So I don't necessarily need a frame anymore because it looks like it's hanging just like that, which I think is really cool. Now I want to go ahead and bring this down a little bit, just a tad. Make sure it's centered. Yep, it is. Now I want to stay in the photos and look up plants. All right. So, house plants. Let's see what comes up. Let's see. These are pretty nice. Let's see if they have any other ones. Standing plants. This is pretty cool. That's black though. I don't want it to be black. I just see some up top, but I want to try. I just want to see what they have first. This one looks pretty cool. So let's do that one. And I'll remove the background. Move this out the way. Okay. Any day now. All right. So we have the background and that. And I also want to put a shadow on that. I want to put the backdrop, even though it may not show, since this is a black background, the shadow might not show. I want to bring it down a little bit because it has no floor. Oh, you know what I forgot to put? A floor. So I'm going to bring this back up because I'm going to add a floor to it. So I'm going to stay in, matter of fact, no. I'm going to go into elements and put a floor in. And in the graphics, they have some nice ones. Yeah, now we can do a little something. Now we got a floor. So now I'm gonna put the floor behind the plant, go into position and go backwards. Now we're able to put the plant anywhere. And the athlete does have a little shadow, if you can see its feet, but it's there. And now I want to stay in elements and create some more shadows. Okay, so this one seems fine. So I'm just going to bring that down a little bit and then put it right under the plant. Now I want to position it to the back so it don't look like it's right on it. You want to make it to be under it. So put it in the back. Then you can see the little, the shadow. Now what else can go in there? That can be it, really. This could be it. And I'll move that over. And the shadow stay right where it is a little bit. And so what else can we put on the wall? Maybe we can have a chair, like what you call those, like a lounge chair. Let's see what comes up. Oh no, not one of those. What do you call those? Just put a chair. I might have to go into photos for this because sometimes the graphics makes it look too cartoony. So I want to put a chair in like this. This is a nice chair. Let's see. This is cool. Maybe. Might be too much for it. Let's see. That's okay. Let's see if there's another one out there. Let me try something. Sometimes it works. Oh, this is pretty cool too. Got a beanbag. I remember beanbag. That's okay. I want to see something. I want to see if this will go because I like that it's to the side. So it might fit perfectly, but just gotta try things out sometime. So let's see. And I like that it's sideways. It gives a different type of effect. And then shrink it down just a little bit. That actually might work. That actually looks pretty good. Maybe take it back just a little bit. It could be a little bit off the screen. That's nice. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the shadow. Put it under the chair a little bit. Open it up. And is that too much? Yeah. I think that's a little bit better. So look at that. So we have the chair, and I think that fits perfectly. And anything else we can use? Maybe a rug. Let's see. Now, some rugs don't always. I might not be able to put a rug in, but hey, I'm gonna try it and see what happens. All right. So let me see what this does. Oh, it might work. It just may work. By George, I think it works. Alright. That is so nice. And I think a round one looks so much better. All right, and I think that's it. I'm trying to think anything else do I need? The spotlight is already on it. Let me try something. I just want to see spotlight. Spotlight. Maybe make it look a little bit brighter. Oh, I want to go in elements to look up the spotlight. Alright, so let's see. See, it brings it out a little bit. How about them apples? Ooh, you put it right on there, and then I don't want to duplicate that. I want to duplicate the spotlight, and I put it right on top of that. And then I do another one. I put it right on top of that. Ooh, that is nice. That is a cute, right? It fits perfectly. I want it right on top, I guess. Yeah, I guess I do. I guess it's okay. That's nice. So that's it. There you have it. So that's the background that I created. I really have everything standing out. I hope you enjoyed it and try it. And drop in the comments and let me know what you think of it. All right. Have a good day.